Okay. So when it comes to life partner, a lot of people, sometimes think that, you choose the right life partner based on your feelings of love. But my suggestion to most people is, feelings come and go. Like abhi mujhe bhook lag rahi hai, abhi mujhe pyas lag rahi hai, abhi, that feelings come and that feelings gone. So a lot of times, when we have a great attraction to someone, we think and we mistake that feeling of attraction for love. So my recommendation is, you first got to identify what do you feel about that person in terms of more like a long-term emotion. And you got to base your relationship not on a feeling, a passing feeling of love or a passing mood. Like now I'm feeling attracted to you, but what happens when the hormones die down? You're going to be in trouble, right? So, basing your relationship on attraction is disastrous. The first thing you need to know when you're looking at choosing the right life partner is, base your relationship on compatibility. Base your relationship on understanding, and base your relationship on whether you can be an allowance of that person. Can you accept the person for who they are? Now, if you can't do that, then you're in trouble, because, in the long term, once the attraction goes, there'll be nothing left. Is this person like livable in your life? Like, are you able to live with this person? Like, is this person a great roommate? Are you best friends? I always say you need to be best friends with your life partner, because chemistry at some point ठंडा हो जाएगा बॉस, बहुत ठंडा होगा chemistry, and after that you're just going to say अरे मैंने क्या कर दिया. And marriage is not like it's an institution that that was built for taking care of children, dividing property, money, and all of that. After a point you realize it's really not so much about the attraction, it's not so much about the feeling, and even after the feeling is gone, you're sort of still in it. So base your decision on compatibility, acceptance, understanding, whether you're able to accept the person for who they are. And if you're not, then don't get into it. Yes, physical compatibility or sexual compatibility is also very important. I tell people, if you don't look at that, if you don't look at whether you're compatible on that level or not, I've seen, like, I have dealt with clients over the last 20 years, right? So I've seen couples who are very, very compatible, best of friends. But somehow, if there's no sexual compatibility between both partners, at some point of time, things are going to fall apart. So always make sure that there is, there is this base or foundation of friendship, but there also has to be other dimensions to your relationship. Basically, there's too much pressure put on one relationship, if you ask me. बहुत ज़बरदस्त है. Marriage is just something that, is like it's a big deal, guys. I don't know how people do the arranged marriage thing. तो खतरनाक है वो. Trying to gamble with, it's like a wild card, no?